If you want to learn more about AI, blockchain, Spring Boot, and other technologies, don't forget to like, share, and follow 7MC Official. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to this module on what is the role of the Scrum Master and the benefits of the role. After watching this video, you'll be able to define the Scrum Master role, summarize the Scrum framework and the Scrum Master's involvement, and explain how the Scrum Master role benefits the organization. A Scrum Master is not a project manager. In contrast, they act as coaches, facilitators, and team members. Unlike project managers, a Scrum Master does not plan the overall project from start to finish, manage budgets, control risks, or procure material. Nevertheless, some of their tasks are associated with those performed by project managers. Scrum Masters lead teams, remove roadblocks, participate in the planning process for the team's work, lead meetings and Scrum events, improve processes, report to the management, support product owner and other stakeholders, and help the team work together. As a coach, a Scrum Master removes impediments and promotes a healthy team environment. As a facilitator, they lead the Scrum process, plan activities, track and collect data, and help bring work to completion. Traditional project managers execute a predetermined plan to produce deliverables, while Scrum Masters utilize an iterative and incremental approach to complete work. A Scrum Master must navigate through the complexities of aligning and realigning the team to the vision of the product owner and ensure the team provides value as planned. Let's look at the steps in the Scrum process. During Sprint Planning Part 1 step, the team selects requirements or user stories from the product backlog they believe they can accomplish during the sprint. The Scrum Master schedules this event and ensures everyone on the team participates. In addition, the Scrum Master ensures that the team commits to what they can achieve in the planned timeline. The Scrum Master works closely with the product owner to ensure the user stories selected are well defined in the terms of the role, need, value, and acceptance criteria. The product owner is responsible for the development and upkeep of the product backlog. However, the quality of the user stories in the product backlog directly impacts the Scrum Master and the team. In Sprint Planning Part 2, the team must complete a sprint backlog. This is a breakout of all requirements into tasks. The Scrum Master again ensures that the entire team participates. They also facilitate ensuring the team self-organizes and assigns roles to each task. During the sprint, the Scrum Master facilitates a daily Scrum meeting. They ensure everyone participates in the meeting. They also ascertain that the Sprint Kanban board is updated and that any burn-down charts being used are current. If there are blockers, the Scrum Master acts to have them removed. If there is a conflict, the Scrum Master manages it. The goal of the sprint is to develop a minimal viable product, MVP, by the end of the sprint that satisfies user story done criteria. In the review or demo step, the Scrum Master ensures that all accomplished work during the sprint is ready for presentation on the sprint's final day. They work closely with the team to present functionality and attain feedback. In many cases, the Scrum Master prepares the product owner to present the functionality at the meeting. The Scrum Master facilitates a retrospective at the end of the sprint. At this meeting, every member of the team shares what went well, what can be improved, and their ideas for one big improvement. The Scrum Master ensures that there is consensus on the improvement item selected and works towards adopting it in the new sprint. According to the Scrum Alliance, a Scrum Master provides immeasurable value to an organization. Scrum Masters ensure that the team is doing the right thing. Scrum Masters inspire the team and others to follow the Scrum process and adhere to the Scrum values without wavering. Scrum Masters are coaches and teachers. They are servant leaders who put others before themselves. They ascertain that the team has the skills and tools needed to succeed. The Scrum Master ensures that the entire organization understands the value of Scrum and ensures the team's work is recognized. The Scrum Master proactively identifies and addresses blockers and impediments and paves the way for the team's success. Let's discuss other benefits of the Scrum Master role. Scrum Masters constantly search for improved ways to serve the team and organization. They ensure retrospectives are accomplished, and all team members must participate, and most importantly, positive changes are implemented. A solid Scrum Master is also known as a waste buster. Scrum Masters work with other Scrum Masters in the organization and share their expertise and insights. In doing so, they gain additional knowledge and insights that help them improve their effectiveness. Scrum Masters are master problem solvers who help the organization achieve value-driven solutions. In addition, they are always one step ahead of the rest of the team in planning for a better tomorrow. In this video, you learned that, unlike project managers, a Scrum Master does not plan the overall project from start to finish, manage budgets, control risks, or procure material. Scrum Masters lead teams, remove roadblocks, participate in the planning process for the team's work, and help the team work together. The various steps in the sprint process are sprint planning 1 and 2, sprint, review or demo, and retrospective. Scrum Masters have various benefits. They are coaches and servant leaders who lead by example.